very
They're like-
evil.
no,
Jedi
Dad.
also do right?
Dad, they won't let him heal. They won't let him love. They won't let him do anything.
But this is what it takes to be a Jedi.
Dad, guess what?
Well,
the
years
reason
of emotional
Anakin-
repression isn't good.
Dad, the reason Anakin turned to the dark side is because of the Jedi Council.
Allah, why no?
Because the Jedi Council didn't let him on the council, which made him mad.
So I talked to the kitchen for you, but it's probably the same time.
Thank you so much, Aaron.
Palpatine said he's gonna be ruined.
But there are some rules to be a Jedi. Like you have to be disciplined. You have to be
but
numb to worldly pleasures. That's why they don't let
They
him.
can
Yes,
marry,
but
they
then
can make
there's
babies.
Not to be evil.
Yes, but Dad, they're extremely hypocritical. For example,
Hypocritical.
For
Ah.
example, Obi-Wan is in love with Satine, and they kiss and do everything, and then, well, they don't kiss or anything, but like things happen, and he's in an actual relationship with Satine. I think that they are, and then lovely, and then he's like, bad Anakin. You can't be in a relationship with Padme, but I can totally be in a relationship with Satine. That's totally fine.
When
I'm a Jedi
when you
Master.
do mistake, like you can show your mistake everyone, right? Like you need to keep them to on the rule, right?
I don't like main figures.
So if he did, he did.
Also, Obi-Wan Kenobi let 10-year-olds die.
Yeah.
10-year-olds closed. He literally said they're doing their job, but that they're doing their job, so it's
Yeah,
our
Dad,
job.
at the start of
but they're
episode
10 years old.
At the start of episode 3, and the kid's like, I'm gonna go help them. He's like, no, you're gonna stay here and let them die. Obi-Wan actually deserved to be killed.
Don't you remember, guys? Like even at the end, even Padme was getting annoyed with Anakin.
Yeah, and
she
it's
only
all
got
because of,
annoyed because like Anakin had turned evil.
yeah, and it's all the Jedi's fault.
Yeah, it's all the Jedi's fault.
Allah.
Anakin was just
Look how
just
kids are seeing the actual movie. You see?
Like that, let me explain.
kid.
Let me
He
explain.
got to be a kid, and then
Let me
they didn't
explain.
let him be a kid, and it's all your fault. idiot.
So look, Anakin Skywalker, he was getting mad because they wouldn't let him on the council. So
It's
then,
not just the council.
I know. And then,
And they let him on the council. They just didn't make him a master.
yeah, he did. He wasn't a master. He got mad. Then he joined the Sith. And it's actually all the Jedi's fault that Padme also died. So yeah,
I hate the Jedi. Well, I don't hate them. There's some good ones out there, like some.
It's called Jedi Order, Leila.
How
There
about-
must be an
how about
order.
Ahsoka?
You can't be a Jedi.
How about Ahsoka?
Ahsoka, she's great.
she's only in the Clone Wars and her Ahsoka series.
Ashoka.
Ashoka.
Ashoka, who is that? I don't know.
She's not Jedi.
She's Anakin's Padawan,
Is Anakin's Padawan?
Yeah.
Oh.
and she's only 5 years younger than him.
Look at this building. That building looks really nice. It's like unfinished Lego building, like that brown building.
Dad, did you know in episode 4 when Luke finds Obi-Wan and he's like, "Do you know my father?" And he's like, "He was a great warrior." And when he's looking down, he's actually remembering all the stuff. He's remembering when he was a kid, the Clone Wars, episode 3. Yep, he remembers all of it. I'm so cool.
I sympathize
You're
with Anakin.
cold.
Well,
Are you
he was trying to
cold?
be was a good husband. He was just trying to be a good husband.
Who?
Anakin. He was just trying to be a good husband.
Oh, and also it's Obi-Wan's fault Padme died.
What's that?
It's Obi-Wan's fault Padme died.
Because Obi-Wan was like,
Because Obi-Wan went on the ship. So if Padme came there alone, then Anakin wouldn't have choked her.
Jinx. 3, 2, 1,
3.
2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Guys,
Let it one second.
we're turning. Oh, look at that. The plane is flying over there. Emre.
Glenn.
Yeah.
Things tinier than
And look at the penthouse of this building. They have a really nice shade. Like, don't you see that building on top? there's a like circly thing over there.
Holes. Did you see the holes?
They made a really nice shape.
I feel terrible for the clones.
Why?
They were 10 years old. They were shipped out to fight. They were told they weren't people. They were abused and
Those
killed.
are the things they always say. Roger, Roger.
No, those are the
Yeah,
droids.
Those are the
Yeah.
droids.
The clones are like Commander Rex, Fives,
Just a minute. Your
Blaster,
sister was saying something, yeah?
Royal.
Exactly.
So the clones were 10 years old. They were forced into adult positions. They were cruelly slaughtered. They were told they were not people. They were trained so harshly. They were abused at the hands of Jedi who did nothing about their rights or anything.
Other than Anakin,
Other than Anakin, Ahsoka, and maybe a few others. Yeah,
Obi-Wan also nice too.
Plo Koon is great. He's nice. He found Ahsoka.
Rex and Ahsoka best friend, I guess.
who?
Well, no,
Rex,
it was Rex
Rex.
and Rex and Anakin, and then Rex was like big brothering Ahsoka's kind of. Anakin, like the fight book first was sort of like Anakin, not Anakin's, Ahsoka's older brothers. That's how close they were.
Interesting. Yeah, and we're almost about to finish our turn, by the way. How many minutes are we recording? You see, it's been 40 minutes, and we're almost back to the airport.
I have been leaving dead buildings.
Which one?
The holes.
The one with the holes? Really? That looks pretty nice.
I was leaving third floor.
Not the top floor? Not the penthouse?
But one of my friends was living top floor. Which building? Just I didn't see.
Elif değil mi? Was that Elif?
Yeah, she was.
I remember from her stories.
Yeah, I have been there. She invited to me.
Oh, I need my.
It honestly hurts me so much.
What does it hurt me? What does it?
It hurts me how the clones were treated.
Dad,
You're talking still about Star Wars?
Yes.
Dad, how they? Dad, I don't know how they did like the head of Anakin Skywalker when he was Darth Vader. Because he has like a white head.
And
Ooh.
Anakin Skywalker.
Whitehead?
Yeah, like when he's burning and when he's Darth Vader.
Oh yeah.
Dude, heavier with... And look at my face.
Yeah, your face is green.
What was the name of this?
Ezra.
trash guy.
Trash
No,
guy,
Ezra.
not trash guy.
Rebels? Star Wars Rebels?
No, 1 second.
You guys watch Star Wars Rebels?
No,
No, not this one. What are you doing, Leyla?
I'm wrecking the game.
Okay.
Don't put your fingers to the camera
Yeah.
because you are gonna plug it.
Okay, Leyla. Okay.
Where is my food? I'm about to lay the manager and slice them in half with a lightsaber.
It's not filming.
Okay, but it's gonna fall down, Leyla. That's
There we go. That's the optimal view. 1 second, let me just
This camera sees all around. Like right now, records a 360-degree view.
lovely.
Like if you just change like this, you just change what you see. By the way, our battery is about to finish. John,
About to finish? Impossible.
it looks like it.
How long it is?
Huh?
How long it says?
It doesn't. 2 hours for the hard drive. I mean, for the storage, but it doesn't say anything about the battery.
Can I
You wanna come?
You make me look. Don't turn. Don't. Yeah.
It's okay. We already get a lot
It was
of.
90.
Huh?
It was 90.
Doesn't matter. We already get a lot of footages, I believe. If we can get the mains, we can, finally finish the video even.
I'm super hungry.
I'm starving.
Maybe with the last floor would be nice as well, but we can take the shots with my camera as well.
Also my phone camera as well too.
Okay,
So I just checked again. They promise it should be here any minute. Okay, very soon.
thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Count to 60.
Huh?
1, Two.
Oh my god, oh my god, there's 3 seconds until we completely finish the entire rotation. Woo, it's been 70 minutes.
How do you know that?
Because it's shaking to camera and then it's gonna broke.
No, it didn't start when we just sit here. It started downstairs.
Maybe you can hit the floor, but don't hit the table.
Oh, look at that train is coming. Emma train is coming. Look at that.
Ew, that looks like a human centipede.
Like a little small.
It just finished. Guys, what the frick happened?
Huh?
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's just blows itself. Save battery.
That looks like a centipede. It looks like a caterpillar.
Yeah, it's like a little caterpillar. That is a little caterpillar train.
And that looks like a chocolate bar.
Chocolate bar. And the food is here.
Finally, my
What is what?
love is
I know. Get a stick. Get a stick like that. That's your pasta.
Thank you.
You want some Parmesan cheese?
Look at this panna pasta. I mean, look at this panna pasta. Does it look like
Okay, it's mine.
Huh?
This is mine, I guess.
No.
This is not panda. This is
panna.
Is this panda?
This looks nice. Looks like a nice steak, right? Right, Leila? What do you say? Do you want me to cut it for you? Or are you gonna be able to cut it for yourself? And
That's your veggie spaghetti.
Okay.
yes, what is that?
That's your fogo cod.
Yeah, the cord.
I don't want the card.
I ordered the cord.
Sir,
Thank you.
how come this one like this?
We put this one that way. Yeah.
No, the middle one.
Thank you.
You want a little bit more cheese?
I'm okay, thank you.
Yeah, the foods are here as
Guys, I'm
well.
gonna try this. Okay, that recorded me. I'm about to try this.
You can try your panna pasta.
Okay, wait. This only has tomato sauce. Okay.
Didn't happen?
I did it. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Pretend like you got poisoned.
It's amazing, guys.
It's amazing. You taste it? It's nice.
I'm just making calls.
How is it? Good?
We finally made it out excellent. I'll
No.
go back in a minute, see how it tastes.
Yeah.
Here.
Now your turn. How was it, Leila?
It was good. I'm gonna have it.
Huh?
It's spicy.
It's spicy.
No, it's just really, really
How
hot.
steak can be spicy?
No, it's just really, really hot.
Do you want me to cut it for you, man?
No,
Babe?
it's fine.
Maybe you should cut.
Okay, let me see your face though. Good. Now my turn.
Let me record you.
I'm experienced on recording myself.
Yeah, right. Yeah, you can have one.
Not in my food.
No, my food fell on the plate.
No.
Invincible.
Invincible.
Well, since you gave me 3 wait, yeah, I'll give you 2 more fries. I mean 2 more of
Now
these.
it's my turn to try my
Cause
corn.
I had 2 fries and I'm gonna get 1 more.
Oh my
Fair.
goodness.
3 macaroni pieces, 3
This is a
fries.
really good fish.
You are like a Yoda. You know nothing.
You eat fish?
No, fish you eat.
Fish you eat.
Fish you eat?
Not you.
Yoda's so annoying because he's acting like nobody else knows anything.
What?
He's living over 400 years, I guess.
What happened to Yoda?
He lived
Yoda has lived over 900 years and he has a baby.
his baby is Grogu.
Yeah, Baby
Yeah.
Yoda.
He actually has a wife. Yoda has a wife. Her name is Yaddle. Do you know what Yaddle is?
No.
Well, Yoda has a wife. And Yoda can't be speak gay.
Second one.
I believe it's still. What happened? What
Dad,
happened to
I
Yoda
just
again?
realized. Dad, I just realized. This isn't spinning. This isn't spinning.
Yeah, this is spinning too.
No, we're spinning.
Yes, and also this is I guess.
No, it's not.
No, no.
Dad. Baba,
Yeah.
Yoda has a wife.
Yoda has a wife and doesn't have a kid?
Nope, he has a kid.
Is it Grogu?
Yeah.
We are not sure it is Yoda's kid, but
And sorry to interrupt, but how is everybody enjoying the food? You're
Everything is
chewing.
good.
It's the best.
Awesome. Anything else I can do? Everyone's good for now?
Yeah.
I wonder what Yoda's species are called. Does Yoda even have species?
Yeah.
Yoda's like great.
It's called Jedi Master.
Look at the island. It's really nice.
we are back.
Almost.
Now, I'm wondering, do you know how the menus look? Can I go over and show you a few things? You never know, right? You might miss one important thing. So, the kids' menu's pretty
Like, you know, Baby Yoda, has never cried or laughed in his life.
Who?
Yoda has never laughed or cried in his life.
No, he was laughing.
Ooh. It's so creepy.
I know he laughed, but he never cried.
Yeah, never cried. But he was angry.
You see Anakin Skywalker for 6 episodes. Then you see Yoda for 6. You see Luke for 2. I mean, 6. You see Obi-Wan Kenobi for 4. You see Mace Windu for 3.
spend at least $75.
Did you guys watch Obi-Wan Kenobi show?
Wait,
After Clone Wars, you can start to watch.
Dad. Maybe a character of Star Wars that's in episode 1 all the way to episode 9.
You can
What?
look at helicopter.
Oh, you're at the same, almost the same height.
And
as
he
the
got
helicopter.
dead and he's got dead.
Dad, maybe a
Helicopter,
character.
helicopter.
Maybe a character that's in every movie.
Sorry?
Maybe a character that's in every movie of Star Wars.
Han Solo.
No?
Obi-Wan.
No!
Obi-2.
Yoda, because Yoda's a Force ghost.
Force ghosts don't count. He has to be alive.
John, could I have a little bit of your macaroni?
I already have one in my mind.
Ew.
It's good to see Grand Moff Tarkin.
Oh my goodness.
There's only like 2.
No. You know the guy that Kylo Ren killed? His master? Yeah, he's everyone.
Trade.
That's not Tarkin.
Yeah, I know, that's not Grand Moff Tarkin.
Ben bunları sevmiyorum.
Ah ya. Biber değil mi? Ben de sevmiyorum.
It's actually Darth Sidious.
Who's Darth Sidious?
He's not in episode like 6, 7, 8.
Yeah, he is.
Emre, is your mouth as a hole in it or something?
Darth Sidious is Palpatine actually.
Yeah. And that Darth Sidious is Palpatine red. He has everything black, his hood is black, you can't see his eyes.
Who's that?
That Darth Sidious is Palpatine, when his clothes is everything is black, he has his hood up and you can only see his mouth, not even his eyes.
I wonder how he became Sith.
Oh, his dad sold him for alcohol.
Okay.
So then his master, Darth Malgus, I think, he found him and wanted him to be his apprentice.
Who's that?
That's Palpatine's master.
Uh-huh.
Remember in episode 3?
Sorry, Darth Plagueis the Wise was his master.
Oh yeah, remember he says Darth Plagueis and his apprentice killed him in his sleep. Remember in episode 3, Palpatine says that?
He killed his master.
Yeah, he did. Oh Dad, so do you know why there's only an apprentice and a master in the dark side, but on the light side there's so many Jedis and stuff? Because there was a lot of Sith until one Sith found out that they were all weak, and he wiped all of them out. And then he made a rule that there was only one one master and one apprentice. But then Count Dooku broke that rule. So you know how?
I guess he was hungry.
Until episode 2 and episode 3, Count Dooku is Palpatine's apprentice. Yeah?
Okay.
So like Palpatine is Count Dooku is Palpatine's apprentice, right? Yeah. But then Count Dooku's apprentice.
Okay, that's enough chatting. Eat your food.
I don't think previous counts though.
Yeah. He's a robot.
Oh, I don't think.
He's not robot. He is life himself. He is having life of a robot. He is kind of like a spider. Alright.
He's creepy Spider-Man.
Spider-Man?
He's spider robot.
How was your spaghetti? By the way, man.
Try.
No. He's a spider with 6 arms, but he's a robot.
Yeah, because of the view, coming here to this restaurant, really worth it to pay this much, but the foods are not the best. What do you think?
The view is worth it.
The view is
The view is worth millions.
So maybe we can stop 364 downstairs
yeah.
and then we can make
Gonna come there. Yeah, exactly. Pretty stable, eh?
Yeah.